Hello, all. A warm welcome to Abode Diaries. I am going to rearrange my pantry today, which has been pending for a long time. I had ordered a few jars which I received last night. I have also ordered this rotating two-tier tray or Lazy Susan.
Rivers upstream, the things that you said.
So I am very excited to give a makeover to my pantry today. I was collecting the glass jars slowly in the past as we cannot replace them all at once, right? I had enough jars to keep all the food items in my kitchen, but I just wanted to change the old plastic ones. I know we cannot get rid of plastic items completely, but we can make our efforts to avoid them as much as we can.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today.
Here I am noticing that these are not enough. I still have to buy more containers.
I'll paint with colors and I'll sing
After washing them all, I will let them dry for some time. Meanwhile, I will finish up some other chores.
and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light.
I don't have a separate pantry area in my kitchen. However, I have enough space to keep all my kitchen stuff in these cupboards only.
On my way, I'm gonna let the
As you can see, it's not completely disorganized, but I need to change a few jars here in this cupboard which I have received. So let's organize them.
so hard to see from the moment we arrive. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been
This leftover dal I will not mix with the new lot, so I am keeping it in a bowl.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air.
Of course, any area should be organized functionally, but if we arrange it a little beautifully, it will not only look appealing to our eyes, but we will do our work with more encouragement, which is very important for any job. I always try to fully utilize every bit of space. For example, I have stood this wooden tray over here in the corner against the side of the cupboard, which is very easy to take out or to keep.
You know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night.
In this cabinet, I am going to use this empty vertical space over here by using this IKEA shelf. I have tried my level best to utilize this space fully by using some renter friendly organizers. Here I am keeping jars of those pulses that are consumed less in our house. These cubic jars were my first few glass jars, which I had bought a long ago. Actually, I just love the look of these retro type jars. I keep all my breakfast items in them like vermicelli, suji, besan, poha, and pasta.
Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man, only a coward gone now.
Now, this is the turn to arrange some store bought packets of ration or some snacks. To store them neatly in the cupboards, I am using these baskets. These are the old table mats that are not used now, hence, laying these old mats inside the baskets.
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy.
I have two more table mats left, which I am using here to keep the baskets.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread.
I am going to assemble this two-tier lazy Susan. However, I got a call that we have to go out for some work, so I will continue this work tomorrow. Today I did not have my afternoon tea because I was busy with these arrangements. So now I am going to enjoy my evening tea.
It's open for tonight, it's not too late. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time.
After assembling this lazy Susan, I am heading towards arranging my other kitchen cupboards. I've been thinking of replacing these plastic jars for so long, so now it's their turn. I don't use this electric chopper very often, so putting it on top to make some space to keep daily used spice jars. I love decorating this space with this lazy Susan. And I'm very happy that it can accommodate 10 spice jars. The extra oils are kept here.
Was your entire world until I stood alone in a storm. You took the sunshine, the flames are gone now, and I watched you walk straight out of that door. Promises got lost in the dust. Your boots by the door, you're not coming home. Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I wasn't anymore. Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man.
This is another cupboard where I keep some condiments like baking ingredients, Nutella, tahini, milk powder, etc. I am keeping them all in these baskets. However, one can use lazy Susan also for more convenience.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town.
I keep rice and wheat flour on the countertop only for ease. I know it depends on the size of countertop, but since I have enough space here on this slab, hence I am keeping them here only. With that, it's a wrap. I shall see you in my next video. Please consider subscribing to Abode Diaries. Bye.